Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. This is an episode that I call Let's Talk Crystals, and it has been a couple of weeks since I released one of these videos. A lot has been going on, but if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these are episodes that are casual. They're just more of a discussion, a conversation between you and I. They are unedited and unscripted. I just talk about two things. One, which crystals and gemstones that I have reached to in the last week, or in this case, the last couple of weeks, to help support me in my everyday life. And I do this to provide an example for you on the kinds of things that you can use crystal wisdom for. And then the second is to answer the most common questions that I receive about working with crystals and gemstones. And this week I'm going to talk about gemstones for loneliness because people have asked me for that recently. But about my week, several updates. I have submitted my official and complete first draft to my publishers for my book. The book is tentatively titled Crystal Wisdom, a practical guide to unlocking the transformative power of gemstones. Does that sound interesting? I hope so. So now it's going to move forward into the editing stages and move closer to publication. And I'm really excited. Let's see. Also, another announcement, and it's an unfortunate one, is that my online store is on vacation until January. Unfortunately, the Postal Service has made it really, really difficult to confidently send packages right now. I know it's unfortunate because this is a time of shipping and things for the holidays, but the post office hasn't been scanning my packages on arrival when I drop them off. They're just making it to their destination without any tracking updates. It makes it really difficult for the person that's receiving it, especially now after Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Shipping times are taking longer and people can't track their packages, and it was just causing some undue stress for all parties involved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this month to really stock up the store so that everything will be available come January. With the book and the videos, it's been a little difficult to keep things in stock, and I really want to get organized and ready for 2021. Yay, that's right around the corner. The last couple of weeks, I've had to make some decisions like that, difficult decisions. And one gemstone that really helps is Bumblebee Jasper. This gorgeous yellow, orange, white, gray gemstone. Bumblebee Jasper helps us consider all possible options that we have and what the outcomes of those might be, and helps us make wise, intentional choices. I've had a few of those decision points to make over the last couple of weeks. Taking some time to sit and meditate on those decisions with Bumblebee Jasper have really helped me feel like I've made choices that are very soul-centered and feel right to me. So if you have really important decisions to make, I highly recommend Bumblebee Jasper for that. Also, Howlite is a gemstone that helps with perseverance. When you've been working on a project for a long time and you're getting towards the end stages, it can sometimes be hard to keep up the momentum. At the beginning of the project, in the middle of the project, you've got a lot of energy for it, a lot of enthusiasm and inspiration, and it keeps you going. And then you start running out of fuel and running out of steam. So to get you to the end, it's good to sit with Howlite to reconnect you with that purpose, to help give you some strength and boost that determination to get you to the finish line. And there are parts of book writing that go beyond the content, the actual content of the book that need to be done to publish a book. And they're not always as exciting. And I needed to do those as well. So I sat with Howlite and just remembered that all of the pieces that make up a book make it that wonderful finished product. And it was all contributing to the whole. And that got me then to finishing that first rough draft, that first draft of it. So I'll keep you updated. Likely there won't be any more updates until January because it's with the developmental editors at this point. But I look forward to giving you more updates on that. So, Gemstones for Loneliness. It's December of 2020. It's been a long year. We've been in lockdowns. We've been separated from friends and family. Travel has been limited. And this is also a time in December when people tend to feel a little lonelier if they don't have family nearby. If they're feeling disconnected from family, from friends, that the joyous family activities of this month might cause other people to feel really lonely. So there are a few gemstones that can help you if you're feeling lonely to help remind you that you are not alone, to help ease those feelings of suffering, of pain, of depression that might come with loneliness. And to remind you that you are still connected with other people energetically, that there are ways that you can still reach out to people virtually to encourage you to make those connections, even if it's online or Zoom call. And even if people aren't readily available to connect with, but just to remind you that these times of solitude won't last forever. They just won't. Some of them are a snowflake obsidian, which I don't have with me right now. It's on my writing desk. Moo kite, which is this lovely red, yellow, white gemstone. Mahogany obsidian, and scolecite. This gorgeous white crystalline gemstone. So if you are feeling lonely, I recommend sitting in meditation with one of these gemstones and just asking it what you need. What will ease this sense of loneliness? And that could be reaching out to somebody either on a phone call or online or even on text. It could be to just reflect on the people in your life and remember that you still have an energetic connection to them. Or it could be just tapping into the universal soul space of us all and remembering that we are all part of the same energy source. There are other people feeling lonely. There are other people having the same emotions, the same challenges. And this energetically helps us remember that we're not alone and that these times are temporary. They will pass. They will. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about, new life updates, to talk about these gemstones that will help you if you're feeling loneliness right now. And I'm wishing you a wonderful holiday season. I'm wishing you a wonderful end to 2020. And I will see you again with Let's Talk Crystals in January. And hopefully have some more life updates and some new questions to answer for you then. So, thank you.